Here I have a Samsung home theater in a box crap. It's the model PS-HS3-1. It's real own garbage, but I'm sure they sound okay though. It's just cheap home theater crap. They made the grill so bulky and the enclosure so bulky. Doubt that part will make a big difference. So I'm going to take it apart for you guys. What requires a smaller screwdriver? I gotta get a smaller one. This will work. There's one screw. Hold on. I'm gonna unfasten these. Samsung put the screws in so fucking tight. Like, it's ridiculously tight. There we go. Now for the moment of truth. Hope it isn't fucking glued together. It isn't. Oh my god. It stuffed the fucking port. Oh my god. My god. I use a fucking bulky ass enclosure. Stupid foam everywhere. If that rots, it's gonna be an awful mess. The foam's still intact on the speaker. It's just some cheap driver. It has a big voice coil though. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to take this stuff out, make these ported for sure. Don't want this foam mess.